All right, so let's talk about the origins of Swahili. So, Swahili is a language that is spoken throughout East Africa, okay? Mostly Kenyan, Tanzania, and Uganda. It's a language that is well spoken or nicely spoken or neatly spoken in the Swahili coast. So, this includes the eastern coast of Kenya, okay, along the Indian Ocean, as well as eastern coast of Tanzania, which is also along the Indian Ocean. Okay, it is spoken in the eastern coast for a reason. Basically, this language was amalgamation of Bantu languages and some Arabic, and it was used for trading purposes. That's the how this language came about. So that's why it is spoken along the coast. Because when the Arabs came in 1400, that's what they'll settle in the coast, and they had to trade with the African merchants. And this is the language of trading that emerged. This is not a language that you can say it is primarily just African, or it is not even a language that you can say it's Arabic. It has most of it, it's African roots. It's Bantu languages, which means African languages. But the reason why it is so it was nicely spoken, not well spoken, nicely spoken on the western coast because excuse me, on the eastern coast is because it was a language of the traders, and it has a special flavor. I'm from Tanzania, for example. The reason why I like our Swahili because it has flavor. If you go to my neighbors up north in Kenya, they speak Swahili too, but they speak a very diluted version of Swahili. It is almost as if they're trying to speak rather than they're speaking, which is okay. You will be in the same boat. So if you truly want to learn Swahili, if you're ever able to go to the motherland, that is Kenya and Tanzania, and try to speak it there, learn it from the eastern coast towns. So this will be like Lamu up in Kenya, Mombasa in Kenya, then come to Tanzania, basically Tanga on the eastern coast, and Dar es Salaam, which is basically the main hub of Swahili, Dar es Salaam. Zanzibar also speaks very good Swahili. They will also be able to help you with your vocabulary and new